strategic priority on music therapy and autism spectrum disorder. Since one of our main focus areas is training and professional development, we will present eye-openers and aha moments on Thursday, November 6th from 1:30 to 6:30. So plan to meet in the conference hotel lobby at 1 because AMTA is providing transportation to the University of Louisville for this CMTE. Sign up now for what promises to be an educational and energizing experience.
Hello, I'm Dr. Petra Kern, a member of the AMTA Steering Committee on Music Therapy and Autism Spectrum Disorder. This CMT is different as we are addressing the immediate training needs indicated by music therapy practitioners in our national survey study. You will learn from us and video interviews with experts about the shifts in diagnosis, latest evidence-based practices, behavioral, sensory and neurologic approaches, and ways to deliver services in natural and inclusive environments. Additionally, we will give you the chance to observe a live music therapy session at the University of Louisville, which will make this content come alive.
Hi, I'm Darcy Deloach. I'm the director of the music therapy program at the University of Louisville. We are excited to welcome the CMTE participants of AMTA's Autism Strategic Priority Group. We have an exciting program here at University of Louisville serving families and children of various ages diagnosed with autism spectrum disorders. And we enjoy co-treating in the University of Louisville's Autism Center with psychologists and occupational therapists, offering interdisciplinary team support and treatment for our clients and their families. We hope you enjoy your time here in Louisville, Kentucky.
Hi, my name is Adrienne Steiner. I'm the music therapy director of the music therapy clinic at University of Louisville, and I'm excited for everyone to get to see some of our clients here at the clinic. It's been a wonderful experience getting this place up and running, and it's a great opportunity to watch families and individuals grow.